This client from Silverdale had called us over to renovate their 12-year-old Amtico vinyl floor that runs from the back door, through the kitchen, and then over to the dining room. Although modern brands of vinyl are much more durable than in the past, they do require a sealer to protect the surface from marking, enhance the color and general appearance. This floor had not been retreated for 12 years, and so its appearance had become dull and patchy in places. Tile doctors are trained in the renovation of all types of tile, and this includes vinyl flooring, with which we use the same methods and equipment to strip the old sealer away and replace with new. Vinyl is a manufactured material, so the products we use are different, and tile doctors supply a stripper and sealer which are designed for the job. We started by applying a clear mastic silicone around the base of the MDF panels in the kitchen. We would be using water in the cleaning process, so this was done to prevent any moisture being absorbed via capillary action which would ruin the panels. Once the area was prepped, we started stripping the old sealer off the Amtico using Tile Doctor vinyl strip diluted with 5 parts warm water. The solution was gradually applied as a slow-speed buffing machine fitted with a black scrubbing pad was run over the surface. The soil generated was rinsed off the floor with water and then extracted using a wet vacuum. The floor was then steam cleaned to remove any excess product from the vinyl, as well as making sure the floor area was as clean and dust-free as possible, before moving on to the next step of applying a fresh sealer. The Amtico would need to be dry in order to seal it, so as much moisture as possible was removed using the wet vacuum and then left to dry for about an hour with air blowers in place. This is very important, as applying sealer to a damp vinyl floor can cause issues with the bonding process, resulting in the affected area turning white and feeling sticky. Once I was satisfied the floor was dry, 3 thin coats of Tile Doctor vinyl shine applied to the Amtico, leaving the floor to dry for up to 40 minutes between coats. Thin coats are the key. If it has a bluish tinge to the seal, what we call pooling, then the coat is too thick and needs to be thinned out, which is best done with a paint pad. If the first coat is patchy, we just let it dry and then add a second coat to which will even out the patchiness. Tile Doctor Vinyl Shine is a modern high-solids polymer floor seal and polish designed to protect and enhance the appearance of vinyl floor tiles. It works well on all types of vinyl, including Amtico and Candium, and the optional third coat adds a super high gloss finish. The floor looked great and really lifted the room. The client was very happy with the result and was kind enough to leave the following feedback. Close quote, very professional, efficient service, with an excellent end result. Very clean and tidy, punctual, and made sure the job was finished to a high standard. Very pleased with the finish on my Amtico floor. Sheila and Kevin S.